and something.
Yes. Tell me what's watching. No,
fear. And then no fear. So them say, and I'm say, there be something there. Yeah, go. Yeah, because I never videos or now they're in the bank.
No, apart from
that,
no so asembenia.
That's my rant today. This is my rant this morning. I say, honorable John Kuma when the baby corner yere king. Nay, asem no ebusuafo say you want why spokesperson man.
Ebusuafo wana.
Ebusuafo me did say na yere because na no akọ police station.
Na yere no that contract say onko police station call report.
Aye, na yere akọ police station.
We are conscious to politics.
There. Na yere na akọ police station. I am say
onko report Captain Smart there.
Wa ka there. Baby a poison no what do
information
baby a info no nya no obetre no problem. In fact the media, the laws is behind us. As
I don't divulge my information.
I don't divulge my source. What it is not compulsory to divulge my source.
What is your problem?
Life imprisonment no we don't divulge our source.
Madam,
and some of your to be now the police for informant.
How
police for informant.
Madam,
they have informants that they don't pinpoint this is my informant or not.
So you see,
didn't it happen?
So you see on this paper,
didn't it happen?
In this paper, or say Captain Smart's poison claim. My husband was not poisoned. Kuma's widow insists. 80 maybe. No wife and one chin because no swing hubi.
No so on your poison.
Let me say this.
No one chin.
Maybe before I will become a minka went so. Look. There's autopsy report or more ya enter Baba Bonting.
Ombo.
Mama can't summon so better.
No.
And then Ombo.
No, that's why I
know. They are going to tell us that John Kuma had cancer 2 years ago.
Okay.
They will be telling you John Kuma had cancer 2 years ago. That is what will be in the autopsy.
Okay.
What type of
so it will not be. They will.
Okay.
Look, they will also tell us. Look, Unim said John Kuma. Yes, you're free Germany. Free hospital one
One
no, but Germany, Echo Hospital.
He's been
India,
receiving treatment. Smart and
okay.
Now,
they shouldn't push us.
Let me tell you something, Debbie. The doctor that went to a Jesu, the doctor that slept with him that day, Aqua Chapel in between West Legon.
Okay.
In between Gimpa to West Legon, to home, baby.
Okay.
Now, them doctor now, can want some doctor. Them chapel now, Casano. So, one of the one now. What's that Babu one there? Why running meeting?
Oh, okay.
I'm not insinuating anything. I'm only giving you information.
I am
not insinuating anything.
No.
They bought a ticket for him to fly him to Accra.
Yes.
I know what in the Fakwando.
On the flight to the bay.
Oh, Nyabotel.
On the flight to Bay. On the flight to Bakumasi.
Bow the John Kuma for phone.
And not to the phone because why you halafan.
But
what make a plane or about
what do Canada know about flying?
Over to my flying now.
What could call about flying?
On the over to what not to play. Was I wanting? And some look when and I back at your videos every month. So and a pair matters a computer man so they are better. I'll try John Kuma Soreno. They no more than in Crawford, some Namiko. Say one we shall ban here because what you do, Crawford says, a wedge up. Four says, yeah, what would you do about four so? Woman, necessarily, woman, I like, I'm off on some. But let me also tell you what I'm saying. And Yabaka, a do Yababa video. Okay, Cabana pay, yes.
Muntieme, but I was say. My wife. Oh, we're better. And I'm better make a fancy. Better make a trim. John Kuma wife is the next parliamentary candidate for Joso constituency.
Didn't I tell you?
Okay.
But no. What is this? Hey, okay.
You're a news, sir. Mammy,
oh, Debbie. You're young. But I just want to.
That has been the strategy since that time when these things were happening. Look,
I see.
John Kuma, chairman would to me. Was campaigning
for him,
lobbying
everything for him.
The running mate to Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia.
Last Saturday, many member of parliament for German South.
Very close. Classmate.
No, yeah, the classmates of GHS.
Yes.
So when they met in parliament, they became close.
Yeah.
And he told me
he confirmed
on this show.
I listened.
On Saturday.
Sir.
On Saturday.
John Kuma confirmed his running mate's candidature to him.
Some penny-four are looking. They've spoken with him. They are looking at him.
And
he also confirmed on your show. I listened that John Kuma talked about poison.
Yes.
Or say
yes.
Yes. This one question.
Mr. What?
Because of politics.
We all know.
Because
that is the truth.
On the day, Friday.
It's not because of politics. It's because of power.
Friday. His Excellency the Vice President.
Yes.
And then the entourage.
They went there.
I won't cry.
I went in the question. I came. I wouldn't the PA. I found they shouldn't dare us.
Look, I'm
Vice got tonight. Came.
I want the Vice. I came.
Okay.
Listen, come on.
Okay.
Na
okay.
Me na fufu a mo so kwa ya mo mo si o ma no ye bebo de no that no na yan e jawa na wo benum that
no na yan e
jawa
amala ya mu ko bi fie kwa no mo bu so am so
weekend musu ko baby wo mo musu so why what
I'm saying that's no you could be if you ain't be able to I'm giving
them the benefits of the doubt. They sleep into the black water.
From a reliable
source. You take it, even if you won't drink it.
And interestingly,
that's the name I'm
now you just laugh. Grilled and poisoned.
Marian Hotel now. Omukwada eno a confirm ya de bre dipa bi enu pe no eno so e bia hotel no ranti na watch ono so kan enkwama o
pepete ya de kan fa ho e tisa akokọ na no so wotu egu so awore
nipa no a ebo 9:30 na ono so se blue no a
all day
hotel no straight to his bedroom ko ba punum ko bisa na ono so 19 na ho a watch won wodos.
Chemical TV, yeah. Chemical TV, anything goes. Chemical TV, for quality entertainment. Chemical TV, at the room. Chemical TV.